What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be picking up another car. So I bought this car off Adam and Amira, so you guys will see them later today when I go pick it up. But I am super excited. I did not even get any sleep last night because I don't know. I just kept thinking about it. So right now I'm gonna be on my way to pick up my mom's truck. She's gonna let me borrow her GMC Sierra, and we're gonna go to a U-Haul, pick up a trailer, and then we're gonna head out to Rancho Cucamonga to go pick up the car. And we got Ruby right here, looking all pretty. Damn. And more updates on this. You guys will see more mods. We are finally gonna get started on the engine since it's completely stock and I have like a full-blown interior. The exterior is almost done, I guess you could say. But yeah, we're gonna start working on the engine, so you guys will see that soon. All right, so got my mom's truck, GMC Sierra, putting in some gas, fill it up, and then we're gonna go to U-Haul, pick up the trailer. All right, we're good to go. Load it up, trailer's on, let's go. Guys, we are here. Damn, there she is. Yup. That's my project right there. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so super excited. And you got this clean sedan right here. That's looking nice. And then you got Mira's IPL that they rebuilt. Man, look at this sedan. I think that's clean. The Brembos. Nice. And then here we have it, guys. And we got Adam right here. What's up, what's up?
Good to see you as always.
What's up, how you doing?
Chilling, brother, chilling.
Then we got Amir here. Alright, so we're gonna start loading it up right now. Oh, you're fine. We're gonna back it out, load it up. There's their IPL that they just rebuilt, almost done rebuilding. And then we have the motor, the trans, the dash, all the other parts that we need. He's got the core support, everything else that we need to rebuild it. So when he posted it up for sale, he had just started taking it apart, so he removed this. But regardless, it's good that he removed it because I need to fix one beam. We're gonna be taking these later. I'm gonna try to get that beam fixed first, get that welded in, and then we'll start mounting the motor and the trans back in. In the meantime, I'll be swapping out the dash as well and getting everything straightened out, get the whole body straightened out and looking good before we drop the motor back in. So this is the beam that we're going to be using to replace on that side. So I'm going to let Adam.
So yeah, what happened on that car is it got smashed in and it damaged the engine cradle as well. And so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it on the blue car right about here, cut it and trim it accordingly. And then it has these two mounting points in the engine cradle, so it'll be a real good reference as to how to align it and everything. And so yeah, should be a pretty straightforward, easy fix, and car should be running again in no time.
Sure, so we have it. Left. Straight.
It's on there. It's because we were so focused on pushing it, we weren't hooking.
Yeah.
And then that thing hit push.
Appreciate it.
All right. So So after like our 5 times trying, we finally able to get it up on the trailer. After 5 times, you guys probably saw that. Got the little camera right here, recording our struggle. Load it up. 2-hour drive back home now.
Oh, yeah.
All right, for sure. Appreciate it.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate you as
Thank
always.
you.
Sure, man. We'll see you soon, brother.
All right, we'll do. So that was a workout for sure. So we got a 2-hour drive back home. So let's get home, let's unload it, let's return the U-Haul in the truck, and then we can go over the details on the car of what we need to do first. Hey guys, we are back home. Yep. So get this thing unloaded. I'm gonna put it right here because I need this space for my work area. So we finally got it loaded off. Luckily for me, when I rolled it off, it's a lot harder to do when you're by yourself, but ended up rolling itself all the way back here in this area. And then I just pushed it back in there. But definitely a lot harder to do when you're by yourself. Oh, I'm out of breath, but yep, I am super, super excited. And I've always wanted a convertible. I've always wanted a convertible because I do like the rear end of the convertible. It's got the more aggressive taillights. So super excited to start on this project right here. So Adam's going to be bringing the transmission later on. Once I get this straightened out, he's going to bring that over for me and he's going to be installing that himself. So I'm going to be here to help him. But in the meantime, we're going to start collecting parts for this car. We're going to be getting a new hood. I could probably even reuse this hood. It's just fixing this dent right here and reuse the same hood. This fender looks to be fine, but I think it is shifted, or at least the hood hinge did shift. It's going to be basically the same thing like I did with the black car. So we're going to be rebuilding the front end again. This one is a little more extreme just because we have to replace that one beam. But other than that, it should be basically the same thing. I'm thinking maybe getting carbon fiber hood, carbon fenders, maybe the Liberty Walk front bumper on this one. That's probably the plan for this car. But I hope you guys are just as excited to see the whole rebuild process on this car and the whole transformation is going to go through. So again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.